Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson in discourse analysis. This time it's going to be about ethnomethodology. This is an approach to discourse analysis. Ethnomethodology was first introduced by Harold Garfinkel in 60s. Ethnomethodology is an approach in sociology developed by Harold Garfinkel in 60s, and it is about the study of ordinary members of society in everyday situations in which they find themselves. The studies society, members of society, ordinary people. So ethnomethodology's interest is in how ordinary people make sense of their social worth. How do they make sense of their reality? Garfinkel is interested in the way social order is obtained. Like the functionalists are, persons believes that social order is obtained through a shared value system which we are socialized into. So this is structuralist approach. Normally, when we talk about Garfield, his views in functionalists, we should also shed light on the person's uh, beliefs in structuralist approach. So we have functionalist approach and structuralist approach. Garfield is a functionalist. But it is also good to see the opposite view to understand the Garfield understanding of how social order is obtained. Structuralists view society as shaped from the top downwards by a powerful institution such as government. So according to structuralists, in societies we have the government, and then you go down to the ordinary people of our societies. This is how our society is shaped according to structuralists. However, Garfinkel believes that society is formed from the bottom up, not top downward, by the choices people make in their lives. So Garfield does not see people as tools of the social system like functionalists do, but with S, but sees social order as an achievement, something that is socially obstructed by the common sense and knowledge of members of society. So the methodology views meaning as unclear, which is something referred to as indexicality. Indexicality means that nothing has a fixed meaning and that everything depends on the context. All the conversation that people carry out in societies, their interpretation or their meaning it's not like there's no rule for the meaning. There is no fixed meaning or fixed rules that help us interpret meaning, but it depends on the context. So indexicality is a potential threat to social order. That is the unclear meaning. Okay, that's indexicality, meaning that is unclear. If meaning is unclear, communication may fail, as may social relationships. So this is why indexicality is a threat, because when meaning is not clear, this results in misunderstanding and the communication fails. Garfinkel believes that there is something else that allows us to pretend that meanings are clear, which is referred to as reflexivity. Reflexivity is the way we use common sense and knowledge to form a sense of meaning and understanding effectively, stopping indexicality from happening. So this approach focuses on how we form order and meaning, as opposed to seeing as tools of the social system. However, Craig believes that the finding of ethnomethodology the findings are small and unimportant. Ethnomethodology claims that everyone forms meaning and order by creating patterns and explanations that are always real. These two must apply to ethnomethodology. Why then should we accept its claims? So basically, this ethnomethodology is like an approach to discourse analysis and psychology. It studies how people make uh, sense of the real world. Okay. All right. So this is it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next video.